The time has finally come. It's time for a new sketchbook. I don't yet know how I should decorate the front cover of this one. I normally just do a plain label at the front saying sketchbook and the year it's for. For this one though, I want to do more, but I just don't know what yet. I guess I'll just figure that out later. Right now though, the first step in getting this sketchbook started is by claiming it, of course. And the way to do that is by writing my name in it. I was originally planning to start this sketchbook by doing Christmas lights all around the inside cover, since I actually started this sketchbook in December. But last minute, as I opened this up, I felt like I wanted to do butterflies here instead, so that's what I'm going to do. I've never started a sketchbook from the inside cover first. I usually just go to the first page and start drawing from there. But I saw someone start theirs from the inside cover and I thought that looked really cool, so I'm going to try it for myself. As a girl, I really liked butterflies and I was quite mesmerized by them. Symbolically, butterflies tend to represent transformation, rebirth, or new beginnings, and I feel like that's very fitting for this. I feel like a sketchbook should be a place to learn and grow. If I draw something and I'm unhappy with it, I can just try it again right here. Whenever you're drawing or painting, you can choose to transform the subject however you like. You can push and pull the proportions, you can decide what colors to use, you can change it in so many ways to give it your own twist. Since I'm starting my sketchbook in a new way this year, I was wondering, do any of you have a certain way you like to start your sketchbooks? Do you keep a specific theme? Is each one different? Are some of you out there digital artists but still keep a physical sketchbook? I'd love to know. As for reference for these butterflies, I just Google image searched butterfly and I'm just drawing some of the first results that I like. When I draw, I usually go straight in with a pen. But today, since it's the inside cover, I wanted to be a little more careful, so I'm starting with pencil first before I go in with the pen. Once I get into the pages themselves, I typically don't really care much how the drawings turn out, because that's kind of the point of a sketchbook to me. To get better at drawing, you have to draw a lot, and some drawings will be good, some drawings will be bad. It's unavoidable. A sketchbook just helps keep it all in one place. On the first page of this sketchbook, I started my usual method of filling it up. If you'd like to know more about the process and my approach going into it, I've made a whole video about it. I'll put a link to it in the description and place a card to that video here. I've also made other videos in the past flipping through sketchbooks from previous years. But the first drawing I decided to do in this one was of a woman I saw on Pinterest. I don't know who she is, but I liked the picture, so I'm going to try and draw it. Like I mentioned earlier, I typically just start with a pen. I pick a point on the subject and try to go out from there. I forgot to record the final drawing itself once it was done, so here's what the whole first page ended up with. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I'd love if you left me a comment. And until next time, goodbye.